What have I done lately other than cooperate? And bow down to you, brother, to make up for daggering you. It was great to good of our plan to reclaim our home. Look the other way, sister, while you repeat the same cycle with myself. Fooling and you for a man who shouldn't be with while he controls the empire that we built, that he took. Oh, I made no excuses for past sins. But in the one moment when the two of you could have chosen to stand by me, to believe in me, to believe my intentions, my own child were pure, you chose to stand against me, side with my enemies. I wanted our home back. And now I have it. So I'm going to live there. And the two of you can stay together in the rot.